In this video, I will discuss a variety of IPv6 address types in a easy-to-understand way. If this video helps you out, consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribing. With that being said, let's get right into the video. The three address types are Unicast, Anycast, and Multicast. First, we will discuss Unicast. Unicast refers to a one-to-one communication model where data is sent from a single sender to a single destination. Unicast addresses specify a single interface on the network. Four common types of IPv6 unicast addresses are global address, unique local address, link local address, and an unspecified address. To start, global unicast addresses are equivalent to IPv4 public addresses. They allow a single interface or node to be exclusively identified on the Internet. This allows data to be sent outside of the local area network. You can identify this type of address by looking at the prefix. All global unicast addresses start with this same prefix. In binary, they will start with 001. Next is a unique local address. These addresses are essentially the same thing as an IPv4 private address. This means that it can only be used to send data between devices on a local or private network segment. These addresses are not able to route information out to the public Internet. Unique local addresses can be identified by this prefix. The next type of unicast address is a link local address. This address represents a single physical link and only allows communication within the local subnet or local broadcast domain. These addresses are automatically configured by the host for each interface. The prefix for this address would be FE80:10. Now let's talk about an unspecified address. This one should be fairly simple to understand. This address is used when an IPv6 host has not been configured with an address and has not learned its host source address. In instances like this, the host needs to request a valid one through the DHCP version 6 or Slack network protocols. The prefix for an unspecified address is :128. The next address type in IPv6 is an Anycast address. Anycast refers to a one-to-nearest communication model where one address is assigned for multiple interfaces on different endpoints. This means multiple destinations can be logically identified by one address, allowing a packet with an Anycast address to always be sent to the closest destination. This address is mainly associated with servers or routers, as it allows servers to be distributed around the world. In this model, the client can send data to all three servers. But when it comes to networking, we always want the most efficient path. Server 1 is the closest to the client, meaning all requests will be forwarded there. Since server 2 and 3 are further, they will be on standby in case the primary server goes offline. This provides redundancy, load balancing, and efficient network paths. The last address type is a multicast address. Multicast refers to a one-to-many communication model where data is sent from one sender to multiple possible receivers simultaneously. Multicast is similar to IPv4's broadcast, but the main difference between them is that multicast will only transmit data to designated receivers, while broadcast transmits data to all receivers and does not require a response. Many protocols use multicast because of its benefits to transmitting data to specified recipients. Here is a full list of IPv6 protocols that use multicast addresses, along with their corresponding prefix. Unfortunately, I won't cover what each protocol is in this video, but subscribe and be on the lookout for a video covering protocols. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more simplified, easy-to-understand videos.